It's a perfect day for wing gliding. I hope it stays that way. Toothless, is that launcher ready yet? We've got wing gliders coming. Oops, can't have a wing glider with no wings. I hope nothing else goes wrong. Here it goes. With these wings, you'll soar over Berk just like a dragon, but without the fishy afterstink. No, Toothless, you forgot the wings, which is a terrible thing to forget. We'll save you. Stay calm, and check out the sights on the way down. Wing glider coming through. This is why I love flying. That was some fancy flying we just showed off. You can join Toothless and me for a ride anytime. But just be aware, a lot of the dragon training around here is the dragon training us. Yeah, Toothless, quit sliming my face. I just brushed my teeth.